What have we done, Arnold? What have we done?
We're trying to clean one mess.
Oh, I'm never gonna wear them again, but I'm keeping them just to piss you off. Hi guys, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do my very best to make this intro as short and sweet as possible, okay? Because there's a lot of things to go through in this video. So for today, we are going to be cleaning out my entire closet. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm pretty sure the last time I cleaned out this closet was about 8 months ago. If we're being totally honest, maybe about a year ago. So there's so much to go through. We're gonna be organizing it from top to bottom. We're gonna go through my clothes, my shoes, my handbags. Also, a lot of my stuff I'm giving away to my family and friends and also donating. So I really had to go through each and every item in my closet because there was a donation pile, there is also a family and friends pile, and then there is my pile. So it was a lot. But before we get into that, I wanted to mention really quick, for those of you who have not seen my last video, the one that's titled I'm scared and that's okay, I mentioned in that video that I wanted to reach out and help some of you out for those who are struggling financially because of the coronavirus, aka COVID-19. Doing that honestly was such an honor for me and it made me really happy, and I would absolutely love to do it again for you guys. So I'm going to be doing the same exact thing in this video. If you're struggling financially because of COVID-19, if you're out of work because of COVID-19, please DM me on Instagram. I'm going to put my username right here. And again, I don't have billions and billions of dollars. I wish I did, but I'm going to do my very best to give back to as many of you as I can. My only request is that you please only DM me if you are struggling because of COVID-19. I just want it to be fair for everybody, and just like last time, I'm going to be giving away $100 each to whoever I reach out to. So yeah, definitely DM me. And also, if you need anybody to talk to because you're feeling scared, lonely, sad, worried about this crazy, chaotic situation that we live in right now, my DMs are always open for you guys on Instagram, and you can always leave me a comment down in the comment section, and I always do my best to get to as many of you as I can. But yeah, alright, so that's pretty much it for this intro. I hope it wasn't too long. And now, here we go. Let's clean and organize and purge out my entire closet. Here we go. Here is the before. Whew, this is a lot to tackle. This is definitely a lot to tackle, but you know, it just has to be done. Honestly, it could be worse, right? I feel like I've had an even worse looking closet than this in the past. I don't really know what the game plan is just yet, but I do know that I have to do something about this. I promise you guys, I'm not forcing Arnold to clean with me. This is actually one of his favorite things to do, is to clean and organize. So
I love to put things where they belong. I don't like to dust or, you know, vacuum or anything like that. But organizing this, it's fine. This is
what have we done, Arnold? What have we done?
We were trying to clean one mess, but we made a whole other mess.
Oh my god.
It's okay. We'll get through it together.
Trust
okay?
the process, right?
Yes, trust the process.
The process. Oh, I don't know. I'm scared.
Can I take this sweater right here?
What? Are you going shopping through my clothes?
I mean,
okay.
It's meant for me.
You can have it.
Okay, cool.
Are you still gonna help me now?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Are you still gonna help me?
I have to try this on first.
Oh.
And then we'll see. We'll see what happens after that.
Oh no, he gave up! have like these, what are these called? Love construction papers?
Yes, ma'am.
So Arnold cut these up for me, and what I'm gonna do is put them in like my tall boots, like this one right here, and then put them right there so they can be standing up. So I'm about to do that right now. Did it work? Did it work? It sure did. Oh my god, it's so cute. Feast your eyes, Arnold. You did not trust the process. He was like, what? He was like confused why he was cutting them up for me, but I mean...
Great.
Arnold! Your hat!
Yes. May I help you?
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay.
You have to do the same dress.
Huh?
You have to do the same dress.
It's not the same. It's not
It's
the
exactly
same.
the
It's
same.
not the same. You guys, Arnold just tried to call me out and say I have two of the same dresses.
All right.
That's clearly not the same.
Oh, you're right. I mean, come on.
What?
They're even the same brand.
No, they're different.
It's the same brand.
I know, but they're so different.
Okay.
They're different.
Okay.
You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety.
Time to tackle the things in here. Oh my god, what have we done? I honestly, this morning I was like, okay, we have like 80% to go, but clearly,
We got this.
yeah, we do. 3, 2, 1. We're all in this together. This right here, Arnold absolutely hates for no apparent reason. Like, he just hates the crap out of them.
I don't get it. Why do these exist?
They're cute. I've only worn these once, but like...
There's a reason why you only wore them once.
No!
You don't get it, just
no,
like me.
I do get it! I'm never gonna wear them again, but I'm keeping them just to piss you off.
Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back? Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry. Just because. You said all the words that you could have said. I'm still trying to figure out the ones you meant. Should I take a chance or will I regret this? Yeah. Will I regret it? Text messages still floating around in my head. You said that you changed, yeah, but I'm doubting. Now I'm not